Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today is an in the post, and it is in the post number 45. We start off with 3 cards from Gold 10-year celebration cards from Change Checker. The bottom one is the Platinum Jubilee. We then have Paddington at the Palace, and the third one is WWF. Now these came with a multitude of different coins, which I'll be going over either in this video or the next in the post video, which is in the post 46. Excuse me. Here we have a couple of Spanish stamps from one of the buys from eBay. Now this one here, he's going to say, well, what's the difference with the coronation coin? It is actually a circulating one. Now the thing is, I bought this one from eBay. Now the reason why I bought it is very simple. I wanted a good quality one to go in my date run and my collection, so that's why I bought that one. And when you know it, just like a bus, my friend came round the day after I received that one in the post and said, look what I got in my change from the post office. Another 2 uncrowned coronation 50p's. So I have 3 of them now. He normally comes round, we'll have a beer together, and it cost me the beer and £1 in change. So it's a bloody good deal actually, because he would have had the beer anyway when he came round. So that's that. One of the Change Checker cards came with this coin. This is the Morgan Le Fay £5 coin. As with all of what I'm showing you now, I will be doing a review on them, with the possible exception of the uncrowned coronation 50p's. I'm not sure whether I'll be doing one of those. I may well do, but there you go. The Morgan Le Fay, the £5 coin, it's the last of the King Arthur ones for this year anyway. We are due to get some of the Beowulf series. Is the next Icon series coming up. What does worry me about these Icon series is they never seem to quite finish them. And what I mean by that is, well, we've had 3 coins from Robin Hood, we've had 3 coins from King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table, and we're due to get 2 or 3 coins from the Beowulf tales or sagas. None of them have completed satisfactorily for my viewpoints in covering the stories and such like. We haven't had a Guinevere, for instance, in the King Arthur series. We've not had any of the knights like Lancelot or the other Knights of the Round Table, which of course includes Lancelot. In the Robin Hood series, we've not had Friar Tuck, the Sheriff of Nottingham, any of those. So there seems to be an awful big gaps that they've left in this Icon series. I don't know whether they're going to go back and issue new coins in those series once the 3 Beowulf ones going to go back and do maybe a series of Robin Hood coins and then the series of King Arthur coins. I just don't know. But there's large gaps that are being left, and it's not, for a completionist like myself, it leaves a lot of room for improvement in the amount of things they do. They seem to be leaving the Icon series half finished, if you like, in each of the 2 that they've already done. This one we've just got to go up a little bit and out a little bit. This is one of the Glacier series, and this is Venus. Now I've got 5 others, and this is the 6th one. Now according to Pobjoy, this is the last of the series, which is quite surprising actually, because they've missed out Jupiter and they've missed out Pluto. Now both of those have glaciers in the Arctic named after them, so I'm wondering why there's only 6 coins in the series instead of 8. I don't understand that, but there you go. It is what it is. When I ordered that one, or pre-ordered it, it came back as this is the last one in the series. The next one is probably the best £2 that we have in the 2023 releases. In the one that we did for from the annual sets, and this is of course the J.R. Tolkien. It's a simple enough looking coin, but it is probably, in my view, the best design coin of the whole of the 2023 commemorative sets that was issued. Not only is it the very best of the coins that was issued, but it's also the latest Strike Your Own, which I must again thank a person that's becoming a very good friend of mine by the name of Bo Selector. He and I have spoken many times on Christopher's Discord server, and he lives very near the Mint, and he does this not just for me but for other collectors as well, for people like myself who can't get down to the Mint very easily. And I'm so grateful for him for doing this for me. So in the post we have the blue card and the Strike Your Own of J.R. Tolkien. We have what Pobjoy has described as the last in the series of the Glacier coins. We have a £5 coin from the Icon series, which is Morgan Le Fay. We have 3 Coronation 50p's that uncrowned. We have a stamp from Spain, or 2 stamps from Spain, and of course, last but by no means least, we have 3 WWF Platinum Jubilee and, go on, Paddington at the Palace. By the way, if anybody does need these gold edge cards, or if they've been collected the blue edge cards, I do have a whole plastic box full of these spare ones that I've got more than once. So if you do need them for your collection, let me know what you've got or what you need. Yes, tell me what you need rather than what you've got, and we'll take it from there, and if I can help you out I will do. So that ends this in the post video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you've not yet subscribed and you believe I deserve it, would you also please subscribe? I've met the magical number of 200, I surpassed that, but I set myself a target of 250 for this year subscribers. Hopefully I can get there in the next few days or so. I'm thinking about what I can do for a giveaway. I haven't yet fully decided, so I wanted to make sure first of all that I wasn't going to lose any subscribers, because what tends to happen is if you hit a milestone like 200 you tend to lose a couple of subscribers, or YouTube says you have, even though you might not have. Fortunately that hasn't happened, so I'm now looking at what I can use as a giveaway prize. That being said, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins or notes, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.